Do you love plants? Do you love crafts? Upcycling is perfect for you. You can turn old things into planters. It's fun and good for the earth. Let's get started. Look around your house. What can you reuse? Tin cans are great for planting. Old shoes can be planters too. Even a broken teapot can have a new life. Use your imagination. Take a moment to consider the items you might usually throw away or overlook. There are countless possibilities hidden in plain sight. For instance, that tin can you were about to discard. It can be transformed into a charming planter for your herbs or small flowers. Simply clean it out, add some soil, and plant your seeds. The metal will give a rustic touch to your garden or windowsill. Now, think about those old shoes that have seen better days. Instead of tossing them, why not repurpose them into quirky planters? The worn-out fabric and unique shapes can add character to your garden. Just fill them with soil and plant your favorite flowers or succulents. They'll not only save space, but also add a whimsical touch to your outdoor or indoor space. And what about that chipped teapot sitting at the back of your cupboard? It may no longer be suitable for serving tea, but it can certainly serve as a delightful planter. The spout can even help with drainage, making it perfect for plants that don't like to sit in water. Place it on your kitchen counter or a sunny windowsill and watch it bring a smile to your face every day. The key is to use your imagination and see the potential in everyday objects. By repurposing these items, you're not only reducing waste, but also creating unique and personalized planters that reflect your style and creativity. So next time you're about to throw something away, pause and think, how can I give this a new life? The possibilities are endless, and the results can be both beautiful and rewarding. Happy planting. Let's make a tin can planter. Clean the can, punch drainage holes in the bottom, paint it a bright color, add your favorite plant. So easy. Got an old shoe? Don't throw it away. Make it a planter. Clean the shoe, add some drainage holes, put a liner inside, fill it with soil and a plant. So cute. Section 5. Tea Time Makeover. Giving new life to old pots. Is your teapot chipped? Don't worry. It can be a planter. Clean it well. Add drainage if needed. Plant your flowers. Now it's a pretty decoration. Have you ever found yourself staring at an old chipped teapot, wondering what to do with it? Perhaps it holds sentimental value, or maybe you just can't bear to throw it away. Well, we have the perfect solution for you. Instead of discarding that charming piece of crockery, why not repurpose it into a beautiful flower planter? Not only will you be giving new life to an old item, but you'll also be adding a unique and personal touch to your garden or home decor. First, let's start with the basics. Take your chipped teapot and give it a thorough cleaning. This step is crucial, as you want to ensure that any dirt, dust, or residue is completely removed. Use warm, soapy water and a gentle scrub brush to clean both the inside and outside of the teapot. Rinse it well and let it dry completely before moving on to the next step. Next, consider the drainage. Proper drainage is essential for the health of your plants, so you'll need to create a way for excess water to escape. If your teapot already has a hole in the bottom, you're in luck. If not, you can carefully drill a small hole using a ceramic drill bit. Be sure to wear safety goggles and take your time to avoid cracking the teapot further. Once your teapot is clean and has proper drainage, it's time to add some soil. Choose a high-quality potting mix that is suitable for the type of flowers you plan to plant. Fill the teapot about 2/3 full with the potting mix, gently pressing it down to remove any air pockets. Now comes the fun part, planting your flowers. Select vibrant, colorful flowers that will complement the design and color of your teapot. You can choose a single type of flower or mix and match different varieties for a more eclectic look. Carefully remove the flowers from their nursery pots, gently loosening the roots before placing them into the teapot. Add more potting mix around the flowers, pressing it down lightly to secure them in place. Water your newly planted teapot thoroughly, allowing the excess water to drain out. Place your teapot planter in a sunny spot where it can receive plenty of light. With proper care and attention, your flowers will thrive, and your teapot will become a stunning focal point in your garden or home. Not only is this a creative way to repurpose an old teapot, but it's also an eco-friendly solution that reduces waste. Plus, it's a wonderful conversation starter and a unique addition to your decor. So the next time you find yourself with a chipped teapot, remember that it can be transformed into a beautiful and functional flower planter. Happy planting! Section 6. Get creative. Adding your personal touch. Have fun with your planters. Paint them. Wrap them with fabric. Add buttons or beads. Make them your own. Know you've been a good friend. Green thumb, green heart. The benefits of upcycling. Upcycling is good for the planet. You're giving things a second life. You're reducing waste, and it's fun. Easy does it. Starting your upcycling journey. You don't need fancy tools. Use what you have at home. Start with one project, then try another. You'll be an upcycling pro in no time. Upcycling is a fantastic way to breathe new life into old items, transforming them into something useful and beautiful. It's not just about saving money, but also about being creative and environmentally conscious. Look around your home. You might find old furniture, clothes, or even kitchen items that are just waiting for a makeover. The best part? You don't need to be an expert or have a fully equipped workshop to get started. Begin with the basics. Gather simple tools like scissors, a hammer, paintbrushes, and some paint. These are often enough to kickstart your first project. Imagine taking an old wooden chair that's been sitting in your garage for years. With a bit of sanding, a fresh coat of paint, and some new fabric for the seat, you can turn it into a stunning piece that looks brand new. Or, consider those glass jars piling up in your kitchen. With some creativity, they can be transformed into beautiful candle holders, vases, or even storage containers. The key is to start small. Choose a project that excites you but isn't too overwhelming. Maybe it's repainting a picture frame, creating a new cushion cover from an old sweater, or turning a wine bottle into a lamp. As you complete each project, you'll gain confidence and skills, making you eager to tackle more complex upcycling endeavors. Remember, upcycling is a journey. It's about experimenting, learning, and having fun. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. Each project is a learning experience, and sometimes the best ideas come from unexpected results. Share your creations with friends and family. You might inspire them to start their own upcycling journey. So, gather your tools, pick your first project, and dive into the world of upcycling. With each item you transform, you're not only creating something unique, but also contributing to a more sustainable world. Happy upcycling! Share the joy inspiring others with your creations. Show off your upcycled planters. Share photos online. Give them as gifts. Spread the word about upcycling. Conclusion. Happy planting. Upcycling is a win-win. It's fun, creative, and good for the environment. So grab some old things and start planting. You'll love the results.